that he can't believe say Oliver go marry him. He can't shock that day now. Oliver, which day Oliver marry here? If you really good, why Oliver go leave you, go marry other woman? He don't know mind again. When he comes out to the do me, I can't tell my wife, see what they happen about this girl. My woman calls me avoid. I can't come up for social media everywhere saying that because they see my pictures. That make her, maybe if you know they see my pictures again, she go move on. You understand? I can't come up for social media just for her to move on. Say maybe you go say another, you go marry, all those things. As Oliver married, like this Oliver not marry, and I then come time one fall back to me. Now I let her know say I don't already go, I don't marry, I know they do all those rubbish. All those one they talk say the marriage where I go do, now you married, my wife not there. Now say even though now you married my sister, I don't marry, I don't love. Now me go tell you waiting I want, waiting I do not be even my mother go tell me. But my mother was very there, was there, they were celebrating a lot of things there. So she called it. Now say if she even need proof, if she said now proof of the marriage, say my mother was there, my brother was there, everything. We can't talk that one pass. This one not they let me do. The next thing, Omomebo can't get problem. And some Omomebo get this problem, we get so for marriage problem. Now this girl mark me for friend no say Omomebo get problem for a marriage because me I don't know. You understand? When my mother died, this lady come out for social media. Don't please you hear me?
Well.
When my mother died, this lady come out for social media, can't they celebrate, they happy say my mother died.
Really?
But I not
wait, when your mama died, she come out and celebrate your mama died.
Yes, you can't we play music. I get all the word where they talk put, I know. You can't celebrate my mother that I not care based on say in the verse of my mother because he said one carry picking go see my mother. That time when one go see my mother, me and she not there again saying they go Nigeria. My mother comes okay, no wahala. You don't understand? Come. So as in one carry go based on say he get the way me take day for us, he get the way I take day. Then my mother they come when my mother come call, they come say okay, make she tell her say my mother come say why me not come call and say this day one carry picking come with all those things. My mother can't tell her say my mother can't tell me as my mother tell me I can't tell me they tell her say make she first call me first before she go there. My mother can't tell her say why you not call Abi, call Abi, then you come. But later my elder brother can't say no, she don't need to call me. Make the letter come, make my mother let her carry picking come because my mother need to take permission so that maybe she not come quarrel for the matter because now wisdom she they use. My mother no say I don't marry, me I not come say when give me marry when you do back even now. Or can I tell you agree but why maybe my way you know those things. You understand? So my mother can't tell her make she come. As my mother say make she come, as my mother can't call this girl not come to pick my mother call.
Yeah.
He can't verse come on. That one day I'm not waiting. They try to get for my mother. Not my mother cost anything for her body. That one can't come up for. Now now then me come to find out what he wants of. I can't find out say my sister get problem with the husband. That time the marriage never spoil. But this girl don't come outside. They expect me the marriage spoil. After we everything come jaga, me and my sister never see the talk, although I don't hear. This girl will just come out, the guy that they beat my sister. And now my own sister, even though me I know they play that time, but I get that feelings for her. Now just quarrel. Not the one way go take die or maybe bad thing happen to her. Based on say they feel say she know they respect me. When me I ain't get quarrel, even if David will be husband, we're supposed to settle us then. David not settle us. One of the things where they happen today now, David, because he not coordinating house as a man. As me and my sister get misunderstanding now, for you to come in, order call your woman say, this one I that brother. Me when I try that this matter, David never did that. That is why you see when this marriage happen, I not quick talk good because I just know my lane. You understand it? They do everything. One day I can't call him. You understand? I can't find a number, I can't call him. I can't say, what did my sister do you? When we say they just they talk matter, just they drag him. Not they drag him. I can't beg him. You know understand?
Yeah.
He said no. Omomebo go tell somebody for Italy. See what he talk about him. Now Omomebo make me no marry. And I say you office stressing Omomebo. I been a Oliver matter. Why you they change matter? Why you get hatred for this girl? Take care of you. Now let you want to go focus on that because the picking where you get now your picking according to you. You don't understand me? Omomebo call the baby. I can't tell Omomebo say this guy no fit marry again because if I marry I not go laugh. based on a woman, he go use her daughter scheme me and he not go ever give me peace. Now so depressed, I dey depressed where I did where he did. Go they stress me. Join the one where I did. Now say no, say I need this one married now forever. I not feel manage marriage. Marriage is to enjoy, not to endure. Now I say no, I'm not going to listen to anybody for this one. I want to choose my choice. Now I take jam this girl. I come marry her. He dey beat Omomebo, say no be Omomebo. He come out. Later when the saga dey happen, they saga my sister. Anywhere where she say they insult my sister, go just climb up, go join the finish her. Wetin he do you I don't know. So I can't look and I say this thing get the way it take me. I can't carry phone. I can't call her. Then my brothers now come they tell me say this your baby mama. Coordinator, what you go to tell Omomebo say that me give this girl moral, make she take the insult Omomebo. Not tell her say not be me oh. I not tell her say according to what the girl they talk say na me make her na she make her way I not marry. And I say not be me. I not tell her anything. I can't say okay what you want I go call her to order. Now I call this guy. I can't talk to her. Then I can't put my head up for that. I can't put Omomebo. Make we just finalize this matter once and for all. You know understand? When the matter I can't say when they make you the beat Omomebo. Because I hear when you go to cry for Monica platform that they say, Omomebo, Monica, you only go a matter now. Omomebo, Marco, not marry, man, 47 years, you know. You say now you leave me. You still talking for every live video. Say now you dump me. But now you consider the guy saying now Omomebo say me leave you. How many you they talk? You don't understand? So I can't tell her.
They talk at the year.
I can't tell her, say, not be Omomebo, tell me, make I not marry you. I can't tell her, say, see the way where you take to everything. Now you even say you know the marry, I get proof and everything. So why you can't get that for Omomebo say because now you mother not marry or because Omomebo not fight for you say make I marry you. Now Omomebo be fight for you. But I tell Omomebo say see what I want for life because I don't see future with you based on your character. I don't feel condole all those nonsense which they do. So I need what to go give me joy for my life. Now I say move on. So after then this girl carry anywhere they beat Omomebo, he can't take that advantage, they join them, start to finish the girl. I can't call and carry my brother, carry Omomebo for line. But this week, baby, I can't confess everybody together. I say I want to try this matter once and for all because my family now they say now me they give her information, me they beat Omomebo and not be even me I know they communicate because I don't marry. So me I totally say me I know they quarrel. I can't feel conference then. Come on, that what did they happen? They talk say see why they start down Omomebo. I can't say not be Omomebo tell me you forget say now Oliver. Anytime we talk Oliver matter, I don't know what did they happen. Oliver, and everybody knows now Oliver. That one a woman will not want change. Not say, Omomebo not fit tell me what I want to do. Omomebo they beg me, now me decide for my life. Omomebo not fit tell me woman where I marry or not. She try her best to fight for you. I don't know whether you be a friend that time, but me I know what I want. Because me if you say, well, Omomebo they beg for her because they did better because they be one. So I decide for my life. So after my brother can't talk, you can't pet and dance. I can't let her know say, not be Omomebo, see why I beg. Not they join them, they do this thing again. Not they join them, they saga around. You already born for this family. You're not supposed normally you supposed join Omomebo. But since you decide not to join now, if you can't beat them, you leave them. You don't need to join them. Sometimes if you can't beat them, you leave them. As you see, you not fit join Omomebo fight, you don't like her. Take clear for a matter. Let the family the Sagana and the family of the husband where born food. Even with the family, we don't want to talk food because our marriage issue. Then the marriage still we don't know what will happen because anything marriage, you need to apply wisdom. Follow one. You need to know how to follow marriage issue because very get the way the matter they be. But we be like top party, so we can't leave and say me family. My brother not talk, me not talk. We just leave only Omomebo with the Esther, with the David, make them they do what they do. She come after everything. My brother will come pet sweet baby. We can't let her know. He can't assure us say okay, they say sissy, but now in anywhere he assure us to they get everything. Say he not go ever talk Omomebo matter again. We can't thank her. We can't come out. You understand? As we talk and we come out. But you get come the face after that one. When they talk Omomebo matter, she they bring my own matter. Now tell us not my matter, we can't talk for year. Me, I don't already married, not for us to talk. Everything we say I talk, I do, I not do. They try to put, they spoil me, they give my brothers for my present. They say I be bad person, make them for hate me, but you know, thank God for maturity and wisdom. First nothing comes for them between my family again. You they get me?
Yeah, I hear you. Mona power time. Mona send us gift to agree to now. I will say. Continue. Now
we can't end that matter there. Don't pray. This matter not be one day. Now serious it go be. But I just talk now because I'll soon move now. I want to go work now.
Pinky Luxury. I see you.
So now I just brief him. So after that, when we do everything, he can't assure us say he not go talk for Omomebo matter again. So when he provoke me, when they send that voice record, give and so now be this one. We come beg and pet her. I can't tell her say me don't worry. Say me I buy iPad, I can't give picking. I can't say no wala. I can't find out. I say do that why they busy. All this one has nothing for me. I say no wala. He never take it, they know the saga Omomebo. And when he come pay me pass, I I not know who they feel that cool with information. It be like saying she, but I not get proof saying she. As I could carry my mother way down there, we not we talk for the matter. Oh. Only one thing when I come, when Frank Victor bring the matter, I can't come from Victor say, I hear say she commit adultery, my sister. She really commit adultery. Now that one I want to know. Because I know that. Because I don't find out for everywhere. They say Omomebo not commit adultery. Say this thing now frame up. You know understand? Just to destroy her and just to say Omomebo not commit adultery. I can't say make I find out because I know if still deny until I hear from the horse's mouth. So now I can't tell the ask whether I commit adultery. Now let that one be the day when me and Frank Victor talk rich. We can't end the matter there. As I could not bring my mother picture come, what it provoked me, my own mother. He carry my mother come, my dead mother, he can't go right rest in air fire. That time they carry the narrative say my mother go swear for my sister, that make my mother die. All those things are lie. I could come carry my mother come out. This girl can't climb up. Where therefore they insult my mother. He climb up. And they swear for my mother, say, let me because my mother there will not be going me. They can't swear for my mother with that carry a picture, right? Rest in air fire. I want to tell you where the rest in peace pass come. First way, first time, and that woman who carry my mother picture, carry rest in air fire. No normal human being, they go they beat him, mama. You go come the act, what my mama do, you fair react. So the thing come, what the company me pass, not be even the IQ. You understand? Yeah. Now the sweet baby, I can see that thing. After we don't beg you, say Eli matter me, you know they talk, but you don't assure, say you know go talk, but you not get problem with you. This guy gonna climb up IQ platform. Start today. If them brother say yeah, me they pick this place for instance, I they know what it costs for it. As they climb up, start to join the IQ, start to swear for my own mother we don't die. Where you say you born put. The next thing, not be only my mother, you start to swear for all of us, start to insult her. Say if yes or me wa, if you na ma start to insult me, start all of them say me egbe no mama. If not like the video, we feel cut them out. Maybe you hear them. So start to insult. As we talk to this girl, she be like, say, get with this girl for the fight for this family. So this thing come over, pay me. Now I can't send that voice record where he play just and give and say, anywhere where one reach me, reach. Say, wait till this girl get back me where one talk. You hear for that video, I want me to come talk. Because you know, say I don't like social media. You don't think we want, if you say I don't fit talk again, if you do me anything, I tell her, say, may we enter social media, me not the first social media. Say, me, nice inside the tea, so you don't fit drag me enter the tea again. So anything will happen, may happen. You hunter not they go bush again, not me say no animal way they bush. You understand it? The fact that maybe I try could and not me say I be move away one girl country they do. Me and you not they get for marriage, but you not let me rest. You just they follow me, you not move on. Your toto don't move on. Your toto don't move on. You the fuck they go, but your heart not move on. You still the way I did.
He toto don't move on, he heart not move on.
He heart not agree move on. He just they follow me up and down because of I can't they run for social media everywhere, even for my status for WhatsApp before we get. I know even they pull status because of this girl because I don't want me they reason me again. You understand? Because I know if they do that nonsense, I'll get one for us, I'll pass back, go the fuck. Baby mama, I don't want to do that thing for my life.
Okay,
you know,
I mentioned before, me call the pass back the chopper.
Yes, me I don't want to do that thing because I don't know what they find because I tell her say I don't marry. So why you go still they find me? Because she not agree move on. You hope you're still now. If you really find, you really good. By now, you suppose don't marry. Even though you not marry, you suppose don't born join Pekin. I even ask her that they say, why you not born join Pekin? He said because he know one man when you go born for the man come run live her.
Okay, say, no only this Pekin when say born for you, now they carry your castle.
Now they carry they go.
You not got that Pekin for life again.
He never born. You understand? He never born join her. And me and she don't live body since 8 years. Me and she don't live body since 8 years.
She don't pass for the 5 years.
She did 47 years now. She dey go 48.
She dey go 48 years now. The man wey still give you that one pikin wey dey carry waka. Now the man you dey draw lege for social media. All the men share get where shop him money, not drag anyone.
He not drag anyone. Even they defend them. Which man go like that one? Which man can say me now? You can't expect me. I dey see all those things. I can't say I won't marry you. I know say I be into that. Be third party say me. I not just there. Now those one be the real people. You understand? So I know my legit, but I not turn out to quarrel. I can't still use my wisdom. Say not be all relationship way no work neither for the fight because of the Pekin. Me I use wisdom because of one more river. You understand? Yeah. Even last time when me and you they talk to tell me as me and he talk to tell say we not quarrel. I come out and say why you never born join Pekin. He can't tell me say no want man when go born for the man go run live. I know join and train Pekin. I can't tell and say no man they run live good woman. Every man when they see so all of them want marry. Even though they never marry now they still want marry tomorrow. No man go see good woman when go want run live. Now see if you good no man go run. Date that woman for a long time. He still married and not run liver. Okay. Even the share get one at the top. So
wait, no vessel, bro, no vessel. This Pekin, you don't see her for real life.
I don't see her when I went small. I don't buy things.
The pikin are autism pikin.
You know, say, but I know, say that time the teacher called me. They say, you know, they do well like every other children. Say, you need special school.
They say the pikin need special school.
Yes, they can't change her from the former school way. They carry and go special school, another school. You understand?
That means a special child the pikin be there.
Special child. So that time, me said they carry the pikin, they go school. That time, where all those things never happen. She they talk that they say I know they hold the woman one and yeah where I could they talk as a go come. Say make it swear. See how many times I don't call Belgium.
Only one pikin where she still get a special child.
Yeah.
Saba fuck up you.
Not be waiting. I tell the laugh. I don't want to laugh because laugh with that one because that picking. What they do so I put a fee for the picking. Do not be bring the picking come out. I never did that, but it can't go for people outside that night on the saga and not be even me. She even go to the Esther. They listen. He go meet the Esther talk show. Go lie to them because he want gain favor from them. They join and fight this side. As my pictures they come out with this one. Oh, he can't go tell them say now me they use fake account the saga. They official not be me just because he want me they join the saga me. He got to the Esther, my picture, nobody get my picture. He carry my picture out, go give them. Esther can't carry my picture, come out, write HIV, write RYP, join out. He can't write congratulations. Say he don't see your Omomebo brother where they use fake account, they bully them. Oh, which not be me. This guy just frame me up for them to join me. All those one to join out.
They go swear for that day for yesterday. They go swear for that. We still go live on that person here. Say, now that one God they talk like they give me for my platform. He go live on that person. Say, now that one they can't give me information. And not be that one they give me information. The next thing, go carry that person. That one don't go swear for her. I will still play the swear.
That one are just number one. To tell you, say not be everybody. Before you, as I talk that day, before you follow people fight, find out the grace where those people carry. They say never fight a man under grace.
They say the pikin na girl will be like a boy. They say na girl. Not be girl pikin.
Na girl, na the hair where she barber now. Just imagine your barber girl picking this kind of hair. You dey see money, not the maintain picking, but you dey come out, they do like say they maintain you have to tell me that. Go arrange your character, not be your face.
Loading, correct.
You not dey maintain only one picking where you get. You understand? That juju na first juju. Make I tell you, know say you get some people who go trouble for life. Me get one grace, not the say they make mouth. I know they could they come for you, but if you come for me, I get what they fight for me based on say I don't pay my price. Never fight a man under grace. Because the grace he carries will disgrace you. I tell him this thing, you know me now God that they cry to. If I do fasting, heaven the answer will not be for my chief self, no. You even talking from one of the videos say you know say they do fasting where you they do midnight prayer where. As if you carry my matter, you go collect to we them here start here. The first juju don't come, which she never experienced for her life before. And that one are just the beginning of her predicament. That's one. Even una go here and come now. Because God knows now me better can't look for her. You understand? Don't please not be for mouth. If they talk for video, say I never buy anything for the pikin. Say whether I go fish or whether how many times where they come. I know they carry the pikin, go they buy clothes for her. I not buy a part or I not buy many things for her that time. You know one of the reasons why make me not come they call her again, Because anytime where I take caller, she dey always dey record me. Nobody where they call that girl where not the record. So now when they call her,
she dey record you.
Everybody where he call, even talking for one of the videos, say that conversation where me and my brother everything they record. I tell my brother say this girl they record, he must record. I know where that's why I fear not they let me they call her because everything about people they call it they record. So make self come to say this girl, me I ain't they play the record, me how much people not going to play again. So I can't they avoid anything where one concern this girl. I don't feel mad, I don't feel pass back on they call you. You understand the thing? So like that. Now the matter come the where I talk about it just now.
No, as the way to the record you now, Abi.
Okay, but we'll forget that one because time not day. She they say me at just one place because that day we will talk. Mama I could say na camp, Mama I could not dey camp again. I don't want to make mad. God don't bless me. Men I find out who know me. She not able get my current picture. If you see me now, you know say yes. Not be say I want Zagarate. God is very good to me. You understand? I mix them yes so mommy. If you come abroad, you first suffer. Another time I take jama. But you know if you expect say what you know everything when they talk about me now. What she know about 8-10 years ago. By now my brother not before mouth. May you try, may you do investigation. The day where I'll bring my new picture come out, I will give you. But for now, I never want to bring her come out. Because she said no even know the new me. Everything where they talk, is all they come is all now what you know about me 10 years ago. So now I will just there forever. I'll just there like 12 years.
So you they come for 10 years? I don't understand that.
10 years. Now 12 years I will there for abroad now. 12 years. So I don't they come for 12 years. I don't even get level. I know my brother, she wait there abroad that many years. If they say me they compare waiting me and she, I don't want to talk, but say where I am with you. That guy not sure say rich quarter. He not no person way. Be injured they underrate me. You understand? I mean, a very hustling man. I marry. You know what? I marry. I don't want me anything down me because I know all those women they hinder person from where they go. But me believe on my own destiny. Say not the woman won't make me better. That's why I focus on my life. I just married to stop fornication or adultery. So I focus on my life. So that one already finished there. So I beg, may she. He talk one word, say all those things where I still talk. May I forget that one? May I cut and small about everything when I they talk about and that go second you play. If not lie, may she go bring Juju paper come. Could you please say this girl, 7 of my elder brother friend, now you don't sleep with them.
Make sure their name one by one. Make sure the people don't sleep with them one by one.
Carry a Bible, make it write down.
My secretary dey here, abeg. Any name where they mention, when they put our comment section. All my secretary they ask. You want to make sure the name of Sheshe girl we don't chop sweet baby. May I carry sweet baby come out?
No, they said the one where I know.
Okay, the one where you know.
I don't know many.
I bet when I carry barrel paper, one of the that time, when they mention their name, oh yeah, start. I'm hearing you.
The one where I know, even the one where I don't know very many. But the one where me know, and as I talk to, make they cut here. If not lie, I like for anybody here, make sweet baby go carry Juju paper, can't give me. This one not be saying as anything. Me, I know they use like the Sagara in case of Juju. Number 1, Oliver.
Number 1, wait. Number 1, Oliver. Number 1, Oliver. Number 2.
Normally, wait, don't please. Normally, I don't want to measure people name. Not because of say I fear them. I not they fear human being. I respect human being and I fear
God. These guys they draw their leg, come out, bros. Continue. Now she they draw their leg, come out. Number 1, Oliver. Number 2.
I let you know. What he come pay? May I tell what he come pay me? Pass make me want to talk now because if he say maybe I wait they say if I know they fear, make I measure their name. If they not beat me, say they not beat nonsense come off my body. So I want make they beat nonsense come off my body. That's why I want measure their name now. Normally, I'm not supposed to measure because those people not do me anything and they just do on their own and their past life. Just like they go for the rubbish woman. If you go rub yourself for you go stain. So now she they stand there now she drag them come out. Now she drag me. No, me, I'm not there social media.
They say number 2, please. They tell you number 2, please.
Number 2, Papa Waila Dumezedo.
Number 2, you say number 2, Papa Waila Dumezedo. Number 2. Number 3.
Number 3, Osaye very black boy where he Spain. Now that one carry and go Nigeria. Where they say that my sister tell me. Now that one be the man where he carry go Nigeria. Where that one Oliver come supplicate there for the hotel. Where they say yeah down Oliver that one come the open office for his head. Now he come use the man tell me after where I come ask him. He come confess to me say yes man.
That one where you call yourself number 3. What you call his name again?
Osaye very black boy for Spain.
Osaye very black boy. So Osaye very black boy and Oliver come the open office for sweet baby head.
Yes, because sweet baby carry and go Nigeria. I won't go use that phone for Oliver. You know say Oliver, not say that Oliver friend. So you want to go, you know that time now based on say Oliver gets more misunderstanding. Now Oliver don't want to cooperate. Now they open office for head. You know that's why me and you go. You learn life in here because of my me go in here. Give me go. You take me wow. Osaye very black boy.
Number 4. Number 4.
Number 4. Okay, number 4. Me I tell you, get one guy for Belgium. Then David friend because this guy, I don't even know say David didn't get anything to do with David. So when I did bed, they tell me say get one guy with David friend Osahan. They can't show me the guy say that guy.
What did they Osahan?
Osahan. I know what I'll call all of them. So as I hear the Osahan matter, I can't ask him. He can't tell me say yes, say lie to me in data. I say, but you tell me say you not date anybody for Belgium. Like they tell me say I lie. I say,
which Osahan? Ogobile brother, we fed in Napoli.
This one did Belgium there.
You sound fair. I be not be that one. Not be you sound we fed in Napoli.
I not really get addicted. See, even mention her for one of the video where you do that. Say a paus noir, a big fish. You say she was very proud of her shame. Say I ain't friend her yet. And in that process, I can't see the year. Say that time David already married my sister. I can't the year say David fair one fuck him, but I know if he talk to David fuck him because in case they swear put my eye no reach. But I hear say David can't they use and they press his breast, they rub it to. So I can't ask
number 4. Wait, number 4 with those sound. Number 5. David now. David got the user. How you tell no say David use and press it to use and rub the breast? How you tell no?
I tell you all those things. I can't say a lie, saying I just to discredit where I did. So when they come they talk, I can't go ask him. Say give me the home. Yeah, where David got your bomb and if you come buy something for store, sometimes you know they collect money. Say David be one, they chop you. Say they use. I know say fuck you. I can't tell him. Say but I hear say. He's saying they took out for you to they rub your breast. He can't tell me say, say na jealousy they wanted David. Say David total because he not agree for David. He can't go follow David friend.
Sweet baby tell you say that jealousy they worry David because a David toaster. He not agree for David. He can't go agree for David friend.
Which say that one make David. Then I say you the way when she take response to that matter, I know so 100% say that thing really happened because me self not believe before. When she can't agree to me say David they toaster, she has never told me before. Now me they do, now me they hear by myself or outside. Me self not they quit they believe what they will tell me. But if I just ask her, it go cause quarrel. You know understand? Now it's not them that I can't believe. You know even feel deny. I can't expect that I tell her that word. Make it call David say what thing here now truth. They say you took her for my truth. He not call David. He not debunk him. You know say now I can't live and say this thing I try just overlook him. Then number 5.
Number 5.
He get one of our relation where they call FA for Italy. You know what he happened for
them? Omomebo say David tell me. Omomebo say David tell her. That means David make bay.
Well, if my work bay, because I have to, but you don't go moon and work cool boy. You don't bay my because David can't come out.
Because Omomebo man, what David tell me? We never hear it. We don't know what David tell Omomebo now. We never know.
Okay, maybe wait.
Maybe later we will hear what David tell Omomebo. We will hear.
As we talk though, as we talk, Omomebo never tell me. You know why they not they tell me? Because if they tell me I love the girl, I go tell them. Many things where they don't hear for back, they know they tell me anything. Now me they do this discovery by myself. He said that my sister tell me about Saye Mary Black, but not be my sister don't even know. Now me even can't talk of who said so my sister can say, oh we friend of Saye Mary, and now where
okay, now yes. We done about 6 now. About 6. I've been about 5 again now.
Number 5, he get one of our relation where they call FA for Italy for Torino.
FA for Italy for Torino. Your attention is needed. Your attention is needed. When I write that FA, Italy for Torino, abi.
Yes. She even when I send that video, give her and say I go call all of the comment. She can't run go do the video because it's like before you attack me, I just expose myself. Say that FA yes, saying date FA yes. That time you know say that your brother friend. They wait to make him pursue FA can't talk. But when after when I see as I tell you the matter, that FA I don't even know. My brother they come from Nigeria. I come tell I say bros.
That FA now your brother, first cousin.
Yes. Now family we be like family. You understand? A family now we be now he too close to my brother. You understand? My elder brother don't even tell me the year. So as my brother they come from Nigeria, I come tell I say bro, see what you help me carry come from Nigeria. You can't say, my brother can't reach Italy. I can't tell us, yeah, we're trying, which day you become Holland. You can't say never know, but he will let me know. I mean, need the thing badly. So he can't tell me, say, but one of our brother will be FA, that one they call Belgium. Say, whether I'll feel come collect for him for Belgium, I can't tell us, say, while I'm not there, I go if I not feel come because I do Holland, they do something.
Then the writer say, FA, Okusebo, you know what?
Yes, na him.
You want to pass when I do your man. Yeah, tell ya lad, they are not hearing me. I will pass when they are hearing me. F.A. Okusebo. Your attention is needed. You want more like that for F.A. No, I don't know matter where F.A. I'm not Okusebo by. I will pass when I go balance anyway. We know F.A. Okusebo. I will do that. I will make boué. My brother talk everything when they hear you.
So when the FA Okusebo, me not even know say that one data. As my brother one come, I can't say no they come Belgium, you know they come Holland. I say but in friend, one of our brothers, I say that one they call Belgium. Say whether me if you come collect for him for Belgium, I can't say when he come to me, I say that I don't get chance, I get appointment, but I'll fit tell my baby mama that she may help me collect the things for her. He comes okay, me come call she say somebody they call Belgium, say he get waiting my brother bring come for me help me go collect the goods for her hand. He can't say okay, I can't give her that one number. He can't collect that one number. As he collect that one number, he can't go meet that one collect the goods for hand. As he collect the goods finish, my man na here mugu. He not even tell me say he don't first sleep with the guy. That one call later call.
He don't tell you say he don't first sleep with the fee.
No, he not tell me even after where he constantly say me know that one we stand come make carry something come for me. Now he go collect things for hand. She not still tell me say he know him. That time she get belle. That one come call me say he don't already deliver the thing to the girl. Say whether me know the girl. Now me she get belle for. I can't say yes. That one come quiet. When did it happen? That one not agree open up because those one too mature. They not they could they talk. You understand the thing? So as that one quiet. The way we don't want to ask me about time, because I been they like the guy. I don't know say don't date the girl. He get what he want tell me, but he not come talk. So my brother come call me. He get one time, this girl come to misbehave. Now my brother come ask me say, when they cannot FA, where for no that boy FA. I can't tell my brother say, now that day where you bring something for me, where if you bring something, now that day FA, no, now me say me help me go collect something for FA hand. Now it ain't no FA. My brother say no.
When I say me go collect something for FA hand, FA just chop on that day.
No, FA don't fetch chop on before. I don't know whether FA chop on that day. May you wait on Prince, may you hear. Listen carefully. Pay attention. So as he go collect the thing for FA hand, as that thing happen, normally he's supposed to come and say, where boy in here? He might go stick a white car friend in game no sooner. I don't feel the data. He not tell me, but I say still getting chest for the boy again. He had that for me, can't be like Mumu for the matter. But they can't tell me, make I ask and see to know. As they say, make me ask her, me can't defend her for back. They tell my brother, say, now me send her go meet if daddy. That way if he come bed or go bring something for me. Now I tell send her me go collect something for if he hand. Now that one I tell no if my brother say no. Make I ask her I tell no if he. So one day when me I come the call, I come and say, man, how you tell no if because they say make I ask you.
Mama, I agree to you.
I just been talking about the next thing just start to react. A relationship in Egba, me I can't shop. What happen? Where can we yeah, can't date any. That's the matter. That's okay. Why you not come tell me? Why you can't let me go here? If you quick tell me that the way you go give us something, say that guy where you go collect something for your hand. Me I ain't don't date so in case you hear for outside though. That people don't make on here. Then me go defend and say yes. She tell me. See what is up. Say it happen. Baby me don't answer what happen. I say na in past. I feel say I'll defend her based on say she don't born for me. I go always want the cover up for her. So the thing construct me say now, this one we don't. Now that they are come and say now I want me you tell me truth because I don't want me to go the year for outside again. How many men you don't date? Because this thing ashamed to me now. I need
wait,
to
now number 6 we did now. Wait, now number 6 we did now.
Yeah.
I beg talk number 7. Let's talk number 7. Which one?
Number seven. Now Magnus, FA friend, my brother friend, best friend, FA Magnus. My brother
write down. Number 7 man, we don't date this girl. A baby mama, a baby.
Magnus for Torino for the same Italy.
Magnus. When I write down there, Magnus. That be number 7. Magnus.
I don't know whether I don't reach 7.
Now 7 we did. Now 7. Now number 7 we did. So Magnus.
Sweet baby, no vessel. Now you draw your leg. Come and come.
Wait, go see the car they go. I mean, that you know this.
Yes, no, wait, I never finish. So make it not best. Now waiting one with this one, so we don't come out now. Anything we still remember about me, can't talk because this thing we go anywone where I remember tomorrow
she will see herself for national television. Don't worry. She will see herself for national television. Don't worry. I bet number 7 that with this. We not tell number 7. Number 8 day.
That is the way they talk. They see what they do. FA Magnus, Then the number 7 now John.
No, that one number 8. Number 8 that be John now. Because now Magnus that be number 7. So if we go number 8 that be John. Because FA na number 6.
John, they write John for
one of the data then number 8 John. Number 8 John. One of the data for comment section. Number 8 John. Explain, talk everything. And
this John where they Torino so now that one way don't friend FA. Best friend.
They say Magnus October. Now Magnus October.
I don't know whether that one be his surname, but now Magnus. Magnus.
All these my fans. They will write everything. All these my fans. They will write everything. John.
Wait. You know what they do? You know what they do? Don Prince. All those people. This John so Magnus FA. Thank God say my brother. This is the one we see me not for camp. Thank God. That one I been put. All those people are best friends. If this one fuck, go pass and give this one. This one go fuck and go pass.
If this one knock, he go pass and give this one. This one will knock, pass and give this one.
Three of them are best friends. Both my brother, they will be like one family. We don't chop and so. You know understand? Make I leave those one for today. Every other one where I get because here when they measure scheme here, I hear when measure Igihon, but that one I not there where I not like to. I never hear. That's why after they do this live video so. People will know, maybe they'll come talk that one. Now, a match, they talk that one. I get the proof, I get the evidence, I get the
this one, wait, you talk number 8 now. For her own match, she said she doesn't sleep with Skimmy, yeah? She doesn't sleep with Igion. That's if we had that one, Jenna, it would be number 10. When you are when you are shaggy test to, go do a shaggy test to.
Don't Prince wait. I am not here, but I not there work those two.
No, that Igion asking me, yeah. You say now she talk with her own man, say she sleep with all those one. But the one way you know with your eye, that be number 8.
As I say, they sleep with our food, and so she do video. I get the video. I don't even send her and give you. Maybe you never play a read there. You say, Pascal, you remember now? Now only one feel run now. Now only one go fit chest down. Where you cooking already there for them? Where you cook already there for her?
Now they trust me, yeah.
I don't know where for now. She use the man talk that way. He did the video. I send the video. Give you. I get proof. Now she use the man talk.
You chairman, my chairman, skinny, yeah. Oh, they were go, Larry.
My dog go away now. You silly lad and you won't stand here now. The man don't know where he live. I might be on there. Now a month of with them. Now a month of with them. So now for hear those two names and the video is there. Wait, take one. I don't send the video. Give it, but I don't know whether you don't play and reach there. Now she measure their name put because normally you're not supposed to measure all those people name put for social media. You want to say yes, say now all of them now. Or instead of the men wait for all of them now dogun whether fit chest now. They proud of nonsense what she they do. Which man you can't say make it carry you after you don't follow all those men. You can't force yourself inside me for you to even they pet me, they beg me, they even they bribe me. I don't even care after I hear those. I can't look and say my sister can't beg me say I can't tell and say but not give to say that maybe now outside that now all those boys they not hear their name all those now say black way too friends is too much. Yeah marrying if we day party now where we sit down about 3 people don't fuck out. Come like saying ashamed to me. I can't tell my sister can't beg me say Omomebo now they beg me and say I came with me Agiawupo Amulawa Adology. My sister can't persuade me I marry her, but within me, I not even really I can't tell my sister say that in a truth, yeah. But waiting me come go they look now the character. I be not even care about that one. So okay, waiting I want to do now, not be me this virgin now. You understand it? But waiting I want to do at all. Since my marriage for Nigeria not work again, me and that one don't separate.
Wait, my brother, not vessel. Waiting there to where all those men all the shop. I bet money they spend for them.
Now money they spend money. You know how to they be that time. Any woman they'll poor they collect money. If you don't get money, they'll kick out. We want the system money, no, they don't kick out.
Now money that they shop that time.
Now what I believe now. That time I should throw the rain now. That time I should throw the rain.
So you know they are people saying the French throw man, he was a true guy.
He was very proud. He said, "Now Dogu now say all the men now Dogu if he is he put body now only one reach to run out. Men they use you they kill conji. Men they use you they release. They fuck you they throw away. They don't see anything good about you apart from to use you release you. They proud of her. No one out of all of them feel marry you and they go marry another woman. You come out to be proud of nonsense after you don't share your people give all those men. Me wey be innocent now, you want to carry the papers give me, you still they torment me join now, you don't even care. My brother, make you think now, in my memory, who body be matter now. What you are doing? So now there, I want to talk today only so that tomorrow we'll continue and see other one tell you. You don't understand? I'll see another one tell you tomorrow. And Oliver, we talk one word just now say for that video say when social media president come out, the carriage and throw come out. You can't still talk about my brother, say my brother see accident. Me can't happy. This guy are really manipulator way they destroy family. But thank God for maturity and for wisdom. Enough is cut out again, we don't wise. Now those one, he tell me saying go hear me to the extent that if they see me, they go post me for my body. Before this saga start, now what he content they threaten me. Me not know say that plan to go spoil me, give my family 9 days, but he not know say my family not be small pikin. He go call my brother, go for a message, go the right, send those messages, give and say if you see me, they don't know, say I pick kill him. Say I get jealous, yeah we talk rubbish. This one a good woman, this one a what I not talk. Even though don't please, even though me even tell you that kind of thing are what you supposed go talk. They're not the see a man and woman, we not the gossip. Most time me believe or maybe I'm a woman they gossip and go the gossip with outsiders so we say they'll say see what you talk. Those things not even happen one day. My brother don't enter abroad for more than 15 years, me never travel. Can't tell one me I better pass that one. Not be by that one. Everything we go tell down just to cause problem between us. But thank God say we wise. We let her know say we go join force, they beat you. My brother know the truth. Okay, why you can't tell my brother now? Why you can't be saying that now? You can't tell my brother. Why you can't tell her what you use on me? You understand? That one can't come up for there. Say my brother see accident, me can't be happy. When my brother see accident, me don't even know. Now she draw my attention to my brother accident. They say, hey, do what you can wood walk back. I think she throw me. This one. I said this one I she throw no for Italy. I know say my brother friends don't chop around. I didn't know my brother. And I make count where he recognize my brother. So you call the time say all this men for Europe now she throw in their set FA. Can't they measure the all those boys who don't fuck count.
Now the Asha one at the CSO. Now the Asha one at the CSO. Because I don't know. And that maybe they bring picture come on the Asha one. It don't fuck up the check again. Men where did this Europe. They found one content. If any of our brother they will don't fuck. Come on, I can't talk. When I can't talk, this girl they share sickness. They go. She they share sickness. Oh. Now the year now everything they talk for us. So they go be to do the lie. Oh. They say baby papa. They say baby papa talk everything.
No, I just they try the address and maybe my brother go the year, that voice record and everything. Say, that my brother, you know, even know say that my brother, because me I know, I not quit tell and say I get brother because I still dey study now. So he can't show me the picture of my brother. And when my brother they come from bury, I go bury my father. So he can't see accident for that one. Can't thank God for his life. See accident to bury are not easy. He can't they swear for them. Say, hey, oh, it was how wood walk back. Say, why this guy escape death? See all those men where they chop women money. Like you can't mention all those one we don't fuck out for Torino. Just because you know my brother know all those one. Maybe all those one not can't take him serious again. Come on. As I can't look the person, now my own brother, now they wish this thing so. Now that time, can't let her know say that my brother, I be not know say that my brother, he can't show this thing when they change so. He still talk of Oliver, just now say me say why not carry Oliver, come Eddie Murphy. Don't Prince, me and still baby the house. If me say me carry Oliver come out, this girl not get out. This girl even want make it drag Oliver come out because he tell me say Oliver the whole money say now tell her say but you dash her the money and I say no. So Oliver promise I go say he go marry and I make her give her the money and Oliver now don't breach the contract. He want drag and come out. When the Murphy matter happen, people can go they call her in friends. He go they tell me say I was seeing it in all those girls. They can't carry the matter go give the Murphy. They won't make the sagara. They can't tell her about sweet baby. I can't tell her say no carry yourself come out for social media. I don't like her. Not do one. Leave her. It already pass. Anything social media, not mind them. Oh, yeah, because me don't want anything stress. I can't tell her that. I wish I even know there for say make it drag her. You know why for say make it drag Oliver? Not be say I get problem with Oliver, but man, where he go sleep with woman. I don't know whether I go sleep. I go to tell the other girl saying don't sleep with the woman, not be mad. If Oliver there, make it not vessel. Any man way forget. Can't go tell friend say, can't go tell another if he girlfriend say that girl I don't fuck her, not be man. Sweet baby say, what make me measure Oliver name now with confidence because I need to still drag her for this matter. Because sweet baby they get one record where they talk, they go say, now Oliver telling say he don't sleep with Omomebo for 2004. Say now one night stand. If Oliver na real, if of a truth say that kind of thing happen, he good make you go they tell your girl. That one I'm mad. You want to become my sister, woman where you fuck now.
But, bro, how you take believe say Oliver tell this girl that thing?
My sister, my man, I tell you, sweet baby come out for attitude platform. He said na lie. He don't fair talking for this thing. He said make he go, me my sister go bring to do one. He said no, but he said he get voice record because I tell him I say the record. He can't talk. It's only about over by Egui. Belela, he one record the way. He say he get the voice record. Now that one be the confidence where she they get. Oliver fit just tell her to deceive her. If you tell her, but I know say he and Oliver they talk. Go there, even when me are in the house, me can't be like move everything about me. He and Oliver go they gossip me. That kind of marriage, that is relationship, that you say me stay with. When you are yes, they gossip me. One day that one go give her a tap and me take poison me. So what you make when they drag Oliver say why you go that far? Go they tell your girl. They tell us, so you sleep with another girl one night time, you do this one. That one not be mad. That make me measure your name. If you be mad, you for not do that thing. And that thing, that make me they measure your name now. Not be say anything. Say, you know, not be say because say na my sister. If I still another woman, yes, say you do that rubbish. I go still come cast you because real men, not they tell another woman, say, now so I don't fuck that one. Now you start to the fuck her. He like you, now he follow you. Must you can't go they tell that woman, say you don't fuck her just to ridicule that woman. You know understand? That kind of thing not good, my brother. That's why the drag us. If you did one before, not the one again because we're not the Oliver or my phone. A lot of things there where I know about you, where I don't like talk. When I hear from Sweet Baby, that time when Sweet Baby the best for you say you not marry her. He tell me a lot of things, but I know I'll just leave your own chapter for the matter.
Well, leave that one for another day.
That one for another day. Where he tell me about the guy, just to let me know say he not send the guy, and if we on our life send the guy, now the guy not send now. You understand? Now that one just be the truth. So that one don't come up for them.
He send Oliver not send them.
He send Oliver that tomorrow, but Oliver not send them now. Oliver just they use how they play, they collect the money. Why Oliver not marry if he really need that? Oliver even tell us to the extent say she tell me Oliver where yeah milk not marry and say na native doctor or na police na ain't go fit marry because of his character. And that thing now I can't really see why Oliver tell him that word because I don't really see him for anybody see him. I can't even say why Oliver go to talk that kind of word now. Mark now. What was I say no. And I now can't find out why that one they talk. And before you they judge man.
So Oliver tell us say na native doctor he go end up with our police.
Yes. If na lie, say she not tell me or you not talk something like that, may go bring you. Even the Oliver not say what they talk na truth because I know they what Oliver tell her. If Oliver they listen, he go the hear now. You understand? Make we leave Oliver matter for the matter. Oliver not be the matter. Now he drag all of them come out because not be me drag them. I try to keep them out of the matter. Even the family. None of them offend me. Oliver, fifth friend who pass. Now, no more, their friend who them. Oliver, not offend me, not disturb anything from me. I don't forget about the left for them because not be after when I know you now, all those things. You don't already know your past. But now you the drag and enter the matter every day. That is why my brother, not be all woman your friend. So woman they will go, they use the rough photo. Why Oliver name they come out now? This girl, they drag Oliver, they go everywhere. Oliver, will not the year. Now she. till tomorrow, Oliver, must you say that? You know if you keep them and hide them, they know they talking matter. You the form that say you love Oliver, can't they talk for video, Oliver, but you say you the fight for now, you like her. But that one not nothing, now you the involve her for all this rubbish, now you the drag her. Must you measure Oliver name? If you really like us, you the claim. You just want to ridicule the guy, they pretend like say you like him.
Because
even come and tell Oliver,
2004, now when they talk say Oliver fuck Omomebo, now everybody matter come out. Now not here for those things. Not here for anybody mad. Now this evil mama will hear. Because he don't know audio session get father for the town. We not be yelling.
Where the party come ask and say,
why are you way? He better picking. He better picking. All the more than way. And the come ask and say, you what you don't talk so now they say I didn't commit adultery. Person married 2000 whether na 2018 or 2000 I don't know. But you say date Oliver for 2004. I don't want to be adultery. They come ask and say, how you can't tell no say Oliver I don't sleep with Omomebo. Esther talk show say he not there well. Say person where he talk and they here which is sweet baby. And the can carry sweet baby come up this faith. I didn't name that Glory Osaige. I did a document. This Glory in Nigeria, where go use Syria, no take go chop for Belgium. He say my document they would I want cast me for all of me. Where God don't bless, we don't do okay. Now you want bless me. Now my real identity I take top a draw. You go to use Syria law. You know say me if he cast you. You want make I start to report you for Belgium authority. You tell you say you be Nigerian. I get proof. Now Syria law take chop a draw.
Now Syria law take chop. I take get paper. And Nigeria should be. She will use those things to stop her doing. They threaten me saying, get my document, you want to donation me for Holland, all those ones. You will use fake, this thing, me will use my real identity, everything. Tell them, say I be Nigeria, everything they chop her doing. You will go to use another country. You want to go donation me, you want to go fuck me up. Now me go only fuck you up. You understand? Don Prince, I beg. I need to resume work by 4 o'clock.
Sweet baby for paper in a Syrian room. But for bets in Nigeria.
Now Nigeria, you see, but if they say you want to cast me, get my document, get the photo of my government, go report me for Holland. I just say me I distance someone, give them see who go fuck body or for 2 of us. Wait till I want talk. Make una sweet baby, I know say you day here. Stay clear from me. I hate you with passion. Stay clear from me. I don't marry. You go die for my matter. You go die for my matter. I don't move on. Leave me alone. Imaka don't know well. If I now me fair come find your trouble, or now me come fair ridicule you. God go join you. Now me, not be me. Now you the family they do. For your life, you don't go get peace, because I tell my I don't find your trouble. I try to maintain peace. Maybe you know quarrel, social media don't come out for a matter. But you look for every avenue to drag me out, and you don't already drag me out now. I mean I don't ready now. I'm making now warm as almost to do one. So sweet baby, stay clear from me forever. You married me. Even though I never marry my sister, not be you again. Oh, that
okay. Mr. Abiodun Mudia, this speaking now, did you accept this baby or you reject the baby?
I reject the baby 101%. 101%. I reject the baby. Well, get away born for me. Get away. If now me get born for, you know, if say when they insult my mother.
So this baby is not your blood.
Yes, you know why? If to say na me she really born for, I know see where they insult my mother, make she climb up, make she join the go this way. Even Mama I could line I see her. If Mama I could make it now own son, your own son now be. Let's assume I been son.
Yeah.
They can't ridicule Mama I could for platform. One get way born for your own son, go come climb up, start to the sweat for Mama I could not like, oh woman I go wow.
Okay, Mudiane. Let's say Mama I could ask you question. Mama Eku, I greet you. We are ne Omomebo question.
No, if you are not,
Mama Eku, you are no water.
Ne dia, even no tamame. It take care.
Ano ne
Abi ojo guana. Ojo Omomebo. We ugume guana dia ni ojejire a.
Here the platform Don Prince.
Iwiri yemenuta ikweyo.
Well say mama.
But
yeah. When not said in after or mass you can work kakabo maybe my family we wan ya ne bun me. And here my woman need that way because of money need do attack or need do ridicule way because maybe a saga rob between we family man. You don't beg waiting a low way. Me so say na me and forgive because you may study me. You don't get woman now the way no ya now. Wrong information just that or man verify okay swing. because of the against him, man.
We question or no, we get no water.
My brother, a question if you no way now. Number one, Omona, Utane bon wo bi uwe de gift in a chain. Una be mi ewu regbe a.
I never did that. Very kinana tori. Over me, I made it all way birthday. Ina the good. Na necklace ina the no more now. No tori we might no more. They eat the good in a woman and a family way good. Ina we good then and when you go to the good, ina way good. Ina the more they shopping and I can't go to the bed job with money. I tell you, my say store and I can't go. Ina when you go mega they good. No, you know to come my way. Yes, it really good. You know, it's 18 karat. Ina come my way. This one I which I not like for your body. Now the cost for it. Me I they tell you say na go. They say no because then I know to confirm me. Ina the no more. He may get surprised now. We may go the bar. We may go the bar. Also now me elbow to be sweet baby. No, ya we maybe we go the bar. Maybe no we may react, but when nenye again me yard go the bar.
Okay, only we gbera obokpa. La wo ron we ni oni no we yen we personal life we na hun. Wọ́n mani bi edu ọba we ni ma do gun e do level ji. Owe wa de wa do gun ọba do level ji. Iten dono for a many me am bieli marokpa. Am I kwe bieri ma am biji mani kwa. We ten doni ke aroto na go ba do level ji. Babalao owe wa we uno wa we mwe kone e na baby mama. Ema tanoa.
Yeah, mama, you know, we're not large, we're not doing yo. We did not baby mama, we're kona. We're not large, I'm not doing yo. We're not yard, you take care of it. I try to call him, no, they matter now. You when you go marry Bebo, get no do see. Because you take one those things, but me get boy, yard, Gualoma, where you only go somewhere, we more Kia. They will not tell you, they not tie bat in them, no, they not baby mama.
Omomebo say na Omomebo man, we na lie, not be na baby mama.
Mama, Adam, when I go now, I'm legally married. My marriage is 6 years ago. Me come here draw to tomorrow. Ni anata nya where 2 years ago married with the girl who me for. Then my gwana me come raw. Even now, or me aje Holland because Holland like say when na nika over Holland nika arrange them. He say Germany man like the system. Me area say and now fall back to Holland. We die when I go here team because he like him because he got raw. And ya come back to Holland. Me go come here raw steady every weekend. Me aje Germany. Ugbesoro inyerere. Me ya not telling oge yakin.
Because Don Prince Ovige if no ya me ya notana na we unota unobe ruda ebe mana me wo pe apa o wa yi ihwe na wa ya ke baby mama
when we here matter na wo
e ba me on na from the horse's mouth or wo you know
Mama Ikubere no say na biodu na tawo yan manipulate you. Most of the things we do not when me matters is there most things we do not wa confirm me we robu se wo we Itoria Mama Ikubara
Adam yo he may marry legally.
Most of the things
they go but Don Prince brother na
when we give me now, he may marry legally 6 years ago. My Okuni married is about 26 years now. She was about 20, I've been 19 years, been married, a small girl, Jama, Vanna on that age of Yari, okay, you understand? He may marry, I'm marrying like me, and to be a Kavika, my name, my wife, tomorrow, we don't know. I've been here, even when you mean me, the period, they all got time, was record of our way. On that name, because of 10 million on a Belgium. Belina come away, in about 10 years old. Oh, you know, I've been on my only I call it family verify. And I come in, I'll tell you what I was sending go Guiana, I know where you're on the guy that is sending go Guiana. That's in my waro. Again, I have information here where 2 years ago you walk women for and just to ridicule me. Mama, I put one best in here and allow because he make it on my sick, but if problem, yeah, we are making no man one say, or maybe I will be been with him and you know, with him. Yeah, now when it matters, try no win, who I investigate to came well like that. Instead of trying to go, I tell you, I asked you why you are because on Nayaka, we're going up, but we're going to find again wrong information. Now. Yeah, make it, you know what time where is one day, Mama. 10 years ago, Ekpa is one 10 years ago. Ekpa is one Ekpa you can't really come for now. All those things not turning. If you know have a bat in 10 years ago, you do anything about him because he married him. I will give him anything. So who I investigate? Who can make Mataladia? A nice sort of saga just to ridicule you.
Go enjoy yourself.
Even money here don't please.
Yeah.
A brother what one say why you
That's when I 4 o'clock.
la wo baba omo nana ariwe din ane yo na make na end ogenu.
Amen. We be here. We because of how we here. Oh,
e din ane okiata ni a.
E din ane.
Mama Eku Adawe on one condition.
Okay.
On one condition, animal need to matter na gbere man. I respect or you may address the matter now. Matter can go with my personal privacy. I decided to live but the respect ya na on one condition.
Let's see.
Bi anie ka man ni e lo de keni. Ni me mention na we no call linear with DNA. Ona do find that when ya more than all day or do lele me with DNA. Or with DNA. Ona ogi me again need when ya decide then ya lele with the matter now. Because yet when you be any man, you do any bunny men, you like in an arrow, you may would doubt to go for family. I can wear a PhD. He might believe go could not bear you while I want it. A queen water warrior, a queen warrior now. Okay, David is soon. David actually queen, imagine of whoever wear me down. But what's set between your Omomebo, Equida, or fall back, or Manoya marry or move on now? I'm always doing on my marry. Or not fall back to win another for him. Yes, okay. Understand? Queen ya war David said me and then you Roy, man, no soon David come in there with commit adultery, he might them at an almost David come and in case I have a ball because he know Omomebo Kelele. But it be nice to know a queen matter where David is treating about ya where you're when you're funny a day by ya bewa honor for back to win and David because
he may be where only a work. A can me bieji. Ide baba ekenoma bieji ide baba ide ekenoma bieji ahin ba
where's water
ai bie yo wodone ogun gwa bo pe ani hero you wani you are not the enemy of that house sunu
where's
anything na de kun pe ani uye mudia je gbinane. So for my love yeke agwa.
Okay.
Umudia ugbinane because umamwe gbeni weke yaki omonemera oni agwa ye. Ome right. Obie some right no ya we no uni. Otoge do atuta yogu moto odo pa me mangye bo. Mewe ni mewe ya yondu ku wana nana. E aro apie for a picture mene. Ukpoge anakina. Don't please. Don't please. Iwe ni na arima na anaka gbe aro happy episode. Ina be arima na we no dey. Abinedia. Aro happy we na we lao. We ni we lao na aro happy we lao.
Osi we no egbugbe, osi edogbu mi na gbe. Esther is your best friend. No bolo best of me. So Esther go to that aro happy because osi we ga no wa vagba kuma wa vagba gbina wa en wa mi so gagbaru happy you wa chop e wa enjoy
yo every know me maybe gbe yoge agboa
o wa fe ko wa ri o wa go e na because agbona ya we agbona agagbon ekweku no so lo boya ri ya na hina
the priest when Mudia Lamb, you ask when I be 4 o'clock, because man not married, I yet me talk.
What's the name answer, man? Wesley.
No, no, wala. Now, bye-bye.
Wesley, bye-bye. We are in when I ain't top of an
because all you had to take after at least or tell any bunny. So, Mama, I couldn't matter about where. Okay, Esther Gberu happy a picture.
Eti mo o ye wa gbe yo ni sime what come wo.
So because Esther when I were here evil person no. Oga wa gbon
Eti mo.
Friday ayi abeg meet yourself. Where you from? Friday, Mr. Friday. Aware maso magwa. Adi mweture.
ti le wo wi ma mo otani wa do ne won we ijo mo me kin otani do ne brother ni iwa be no ene overi answer be yo ne.
Good. Ubege no say na like we all the answer no. Ubege no dey have to talk Miller. Then you have to talk Miller. O ge bi ano. So abegi nu ya gbo Omomebo. O say ni na ta nu do nu la dia water. Omomebo la very sorry o. Because say o ge bugbe nu ya gbo wo ni. Eyin mi ge forget we mama yen mi ta. Eyin mi ge. Me no yere matana sis dey no see. Because here and we ge na no me wuro. Esther amano ya David e na gwana. Fracomoso no rugwe awe bedi ne nana bi kevi e bedi no na wi kevi be na e bedi nana bi kevi ye we marriage ne e bedi ni ana ye wi kevi be na onya awa
ni hi
okay
ami awa bo kan be me bu iye kevi me bu
di wan owe ya we di wan
ye gbona ya doctor but iye kevi me bu.
Okay. But almost we cover here you over. Ye do aluwa. Ye cover here you over. Ye do aluwa ni ke. Wo ma say wa ya wise.
Emeti lo me wo.
Ma say wa ya wise. So again na magbe na sweet baby na no dey shame.
Okay ni ya oga imo de boy ni ban o ti Omomebo no pa ban. Oga imo ti Omomebo ni. Na we because he declare na we boni ayati igo ogbuyo Omomebo oni seni amweboji we ni Frank ya yen eni
No ni go egun ni Frank je boni amugbe Frank bugbe ni na ya ewe begi na ma mu dada be social media buse e ma ni emwebo gbe Frank o biri anyo ne bo ni nwe dede gbedede we wo boy kanoa o ma wan yo for January to December
wa total wa tota wari baro wa gbenu e
Omomebo we tobe na we another juju the load ebo bugbe ge na mu gbomo
eke me na surprise wo wari baro wa gbenu e eri ohu na masunu de eri ohu ja ge wodo orige ne o ma ti je wa that period ije na ya vebone ije na do hu me mi ohu edo pa no omuno mu yiyeki asiemene omonoro ma ko asiemena
wo were Frank we Nigeria ni
ma wa gwo me
wo were Frank we Nigeria wo were Frank wo wanera na be Frank na hena
la son de gun
wo were na be na hena yekwa mi wa turu ma na be Frank turu mi right boy
wa ma ni na address
wa ma oi don't know why ara siwa we mi wara pa wa we te na travel ma ni me gbe mara we ami wa o mi wara pa wa we wana na be Frank wa na be mozo ask wa ni dey ask dey go we ask short mo you we Frank so we are good telling my people you people see na old road for Aduawa you see so a life na mona know how to dey fight people how to dey destroy people for life mas we matari owo ma mo awa denya awa lo because Esther ma gbegbe na no igbe na gbo media na de
agwoge milana no ni David wari metuta owi yen wa dele mi le yen ya we mo na mu pabo ona mu ni godmother so even we the city la da ban em na do we yi emi en ti wa ka ni me o gbe wa no kiri
eli egwa fun yo ba ti ra eli egwa go receive get mila you go na de mila 1 million ya de mila 1 million we mine David mana
me na me the receipt
we payment of for cow
we wa big wa the screenshot here do no ba ye
payment for cow